Hello guys, welcome back to the Civil Engineering YouTube channel. Please subscribe our channel for daily civil engineering videos. Today our lecture is about the frame analysis. In this lecture we are going to find out the support reactions for this frame in a very easy way. So let's consider this is any frame which is two inclined members and one horizontal member. The one inclined member is the horizontal or the lateral load of 5 kN acting at a distance of 4 meter from this hinge support up to this point. So the distance from this point to this point is 4 meter. The other inclined portion of the frame has a lateral load or the horizontal load of 6 kN acting at a distance of 5 meter from the roller support up to this point. The horizontal member of the frame, which is a beam, has a pointed load of 4 kN acting at the center of this beam. So it will be act at the distance of 5 meter from here and 5 meter from here. So the total is 10 meter from this end and 10 meter from this end. So it is acting at the center of this frame. So to find out the support reactions, let's consider this is support A and this is support B. And let's suppose this is a hinge support. So the reaction we take, it is acting in upward direction, RAY, and this is a hinge support, so it has the ability to resist the horizontal load. So it will be, if I name it A here, so this will also take the horizontal load, which let's suppose RAX. And this is a roller support, so it can only take the vertical load, which will be RB. So to find out the support reactions, let's consider that the summation of moment at point A is equal to 0. So the forces that creates a moment about point A. So to find out these forces, these moments, let's consider the clockwise moment is taken as positive and the anti-clockwise moment are taken as negative. Now RB will create, it is acting in upward direction, so it will create anti-clockwise moment about point A, because we are interested to find out the moment at point A. So RB will create anti-clockwise moment about point A, so it will be anti-clockwise, so it will be negative. RB multiplied with the moment arm. The moment arm is from this point up to this point, which is 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5, which is 20 meter. Because moment is equal to the force multiplied with the moment arm. So we need force, RB is a force and R is a moment arm, which is 20. So this is the one moment. The other force that creates moment is starting from this, which is 6 kN. It is also acting in the anti-clockwise direction. So it will create movement in anti-clockwise direction about point A. So if you look to this force, so it is acting in this way and it will create anti-clockwise moment about point A. So it will also be taken as negative. So minus 6 multiplied with the moment arm. The moment arm for this 6 kN is the distance from this point up to the point A. So it will be vertical distance, so it will be this from this point up to this point, which is 5 meter. Because this distance is the same as this A point, so it is 5 meter. Similarly, this load also creates a moment about point A, so it is acting in the downward direction, it will create the clockwise moment. So it will be taken as positive. So 4 multiplied with the moment arm. The moment arm for this load is the distance from this point up to the point A. So the total horizontal distance will be the from this point 5 plus 5 to 10. So 10 is the moment arm for this load. Similarly, this load also creates a moment about point A. So it is 5 kN and it is acting in the clockwise direction about point A. So it will be 5 multiplied with the moment arm. The moment arm is the distance from this point up to the point A, which is 4 meter. Summation of all the moments about point A are equal to 0. So shifting this RB into the right side, so it will be 20 RB. The other equation remains minus 30 plus 40 and plus 20. So 20 RB, it will be equal to the minus 30 and plus 60. So 20 RB will be equal to the 30. RB, if we divide this 30 by 20, it comes out to be 1.5 kilonewton. So RB is the magnitude of 1.5 kilonewton acting in the upward direction. So how to find out RAY? It is easy. We just use this equation that summation of vertical forces are equal to 0, and let's suppose the forces acting in the upward direction is taken as positive and the forces acting in downward direction is taken as negative. Now the upward forces are RAY and RB. So RAY plus RB, and the downward force is this 4 kilonewton. So these are the only forces acting vertically, while these 5 kilonewton and 6 kilonewton are the horizontal forces. So RAY comes out to be 4. If we shift this into the right side, it will be 4 minus RB. It means 4 minus 1.5, which comes out to be 2.5 kilonewton. So the reaction acting here will be 2.5 kilonewton. Now, how to find out this RAX, which is acting horizontally? So to find out, let's suppose we use this equilibrium equation that summation of horizontal forces are equal to 0 and the force acting in this direction are taken as positive and the forces acting in this direction will be taken as negative. So the force acting in this direction is plus 5, this is 5, so it will be plus 5. Force acting in this direction is 6, so it will be minus 6 because we consider that force acting in this direction is taken as negative. And this RAX is also acting in the positive direction, so it will be plus RAX equal to 0. So it is minus 1 plus RAX equal to 0. If we shift this into the right side, so RAX comes out to be 1 kilonewton. So it means that RAX is a magnitude of 1 kilonewton. And all our direction assumption were correct because there were no negative values with this magnitude. So it means our assumption were correct. Now to verify that either our structure is in equilibrium or not, so this 4 kilonewton is acting downward and these two forces are acting in upward direction. So 2.5 and plus 1.5 is equal to the 4 kilonewton. This is acting downward. So 4 is equal to 4. It means these support reactions are right. Now let's come to the horizontal. So 5 are acting in this direction and 1 kilonewton is acting in this direction and 6 kilonewton is acting in the other direction. So 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. 6 is equal to 6. So it means our support reactions were correctly determined. Hope you guys understand how to find out the support reactions for frame, and don't forget to subscribe our channel for daily civil engineering videos. Thank you for watching our video.